Afternoon. This is News at 2, live from Wisdom Yard Television. I am Odunayo Adelere. Here are the news headlines. OAU student murder, appeal calls reversed to serve judgment on Hilton Hotel's owner's plea to squash death sentence. Super Eagles forward Olayinka undergoes successful surgery. Now the news in details. The Court of Appeal in Akure, Ondo State has reserved judgment on the appeal filed by Ramon Adedoyin, owner of Hilton Hotels in Ile-Ife, Osun State, seeking to overturn his death sentence for the murder of Timothy Adegoke, a postgraduate student of Obafemi Awolowo University, OAU. Adedoyin and two of his hotel staff, Adeniyi Aderogba and Oyetunde Kazim, were sentenced to death by an Osun State High Court, while three other staffs were acquitted and a receptionist received a 2-year prison term. Adegoke's death occurred between November 5 and 7, 2021, during his stay at Adedoyin's hotel. The appeal panel, led by Justice Olufemi Akeju, withheld judgment on Tuesday after both parties submitted their arguments, with the court expected to notify them of the judgment day. Representing Adedoyin, senior lawyer Kehinde Elejesan argued that the Osun State High Court failed to establish a direct link between Adedoyin and the murderer, criticizing the judgment for alleged contradictions. He questioned the court's directive for Adedoyin's estate to fund Adegoke's children's education while condemning him to death. Prosecution lawyer Femi Falana countered by presenting evidence including a forged receipt and testimonies that Adedoyin allegedly summoned hotel staff to fabricate alibis. Falana further pointed to forensic findings, including blood stains in Adegoke's hotel room, to substantiate claims of foul play. He urged the appellate court to uphold the trial's court judgment. Attorneys for the convicted staff also pleaded for acquittal, citing an inconclusive autopsy. However, Falana argued the forensic evidence and the defendants' alleged effort to conceal Adegoke's death contradicted their innocence. Nigeria forward Peter Olayinka is now set for a lengthy spell on the sidelines after undergoing successful surgery for a Achilles tendon injury. Olayinka was substituted in Red Star Belgrade's UEFA Champions League clash with AS Monaco last week after sustaining the injury. Red Star Belgrade have now confirmed he went under this knife following the setback. Peter Olayinka was successfully operated in Finland by a famous doctor after an Achilles tendon injury due to a blow he received during a match in Monaco, the club said in a statement. Everything went well and we are waiting for the post-operative period to pass in order to estimate the return time of Zivedo's football player. We wish him a speedy recovery and return to the field. The striker is expected to spend around 6 to 9 months on the sidelines. He has scored 2 goals and registered 2 assists in 6 leagues outings for Red Star Belgrade this season. Before the news comes to an end, here are the headlines once again. OAU student murder, appeal court reserves judgment on Hilton Hotel's owner's plea to quash death sentence. Super Eagle forward Olayinka undergoes successful surgery. Thank you for staying tuned. I am Odunayo Adelere.